Anyways, my name is Player 2 Nation. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I messed up on my intro there because I'm an idiot and I didn't have my mic on. But thank you guys for coming through, hanging out. Today we're going to be fixing a friend's laptop because she cooked her power cable and the power jack. It was really bad. So hold on. Buddy, get up. Get up. There she is. This is it. All right. So these are the screws for now. I'm not doing a full top-down view because it's unnecessary. It'd be, I guess, easier for you guys to see, but I did intend to move this camera. That way you can see both the sides. And this is the more important side because it's the side I'm going to be working on. I've already taken it apart to make my life easier. This model here is the ROG GL503V. It's gonna be upside down most likely. I can't even get in there. Oh, look, I can't get in the angle. I can probably get in this one, but it's still gonna be upside down. Yeah, still upside down. Oh well. Anyways, this is the ASUS notebook. Pretty simple. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11 body screws, 13 body screws. Then you got these ones. These are the hard drive. These mean nothing. So 15 body screws, I think, or whatever. I don't remember the number. Take that guy out. It was pretty easy. Couple of clips. Use a plastic spudger tool. Right out. The battery compartment. Oh my god, that was stupid. I'm gonna have to repaste this down because broke. I guess you want to say. All right. Oh, finally, I get these side by side. They are precisely identical. Just one is of higher quality than the other. This one's the original, this is the aftermarket. I'm still letting my camera go. Okay. Oh, right, it did. See it now. Camera's so much more zoomed in. Or, yeah, there. Here. So, like, right here, you'll see extra metal on the pin. This is the original. So that means that this actually broke. Yeah, that's this part here on the side. As you can see on this one here, oh, I have my, that's that right there. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Pretty darn simple. Just pretty darn simple. Gonna put this in and away we go. All right. I really like the feel of this one. This is so much better quality, especially because it's power delivery. Like, I'm upset that it wasn't of this quality. They kept out these shitty wires in this replacement. I'm feeling we're gonna be replacing it again. And now I understand why the guy said on the review that in his online review he said that he had to replace it multiple times. Now I understand why. So come on. Slide in. Don't be shy. Gotta actually get it over the hump so it doesn't fall out or whatever. And it came right from out here. Oh, see the tape even? Why I should be using plastic spudgers, but some serious processes right there too. Here, yeah, that. Down. Here. Goes back in here. Like bus. Yeah, that works nicely. I like that. I like that. Yep, I like that. Beautiful. Okay, now this. Hold. Ugh. Hoo-ah. Hoo-ah. There we go. Here are the smallest guys. These three grouped together. I'm gonna have a hard time figuring out where the other screws go. Those aren't short. Those are medium to long thread. Easy way to figure out what goes in there. Pull out the other side. Yeah, it's medium long thread. Okay, so take this in. I only took one screw to play around with on this side, and oh, that's not gonna make it. They shipped it without one. I think body screw goes in there. Yep, this one. This goes into that hole. Does that mean that only two come out of there then? Yep, only two come out of there. Good, I line these things up and try it again before just start smashing parts back in. Go here, this part, over a little bit. That didn't. This doesn't feel like it goes there. Yep, that just enough. Just enough to grip the whole entire bracket and tie it and pull it in. So that works very well. There. There. Okay. This little ingenious electronic one. That's not a good camera to use. Yeah, there you go. This little guy is dope. I don't know exactly what this is, like what cable it's called, but it's the SATA connector. I don't know exactly what this is called, so I'm just assume it's called like a SATA connector. Micro, itty bitty, tiny SATA connector. There, there, got it there. That goes there. I remember that goes there. Oh, nice. We got a Seagate inside there. That's stock. That came with it. That's an Iron Wolf. Oh, never mind. It's a Fire CUDA, but still, 1 terabyte. That's pretty decent. The fast hard drive, responsive, and that's what you want. Oh, this goes in later. This after. Making sure everything's in. Gotta get another RAM. In order to get another RAM, only got 16 gig. 32 would be nice. Okay. Oh, one. Let's put it back together. Yeah. Never really want to force it, but that one wanted to be a little bit, wanted to be pushed, wanted to be pulled. Here, this, that. Okay, come on, get in there. I want to rip on you because that'll break you. There we go. Alright. So I'm gonna assume, I don't remember where I took these out. I'm gonna take the long one and put it here. Because that makes sense. Got a lot of components to go through, I think. And yeah, that's good. Okay, I got 5 long screws. What is it? Is that even gripping anything? On top. And this one I'm definitely putting a long one. It's like C. Oh, I'll put it down. Nope, that's not a long one. I really don't know where any of these screws go. I should have taken pictures of taking it apart. Oh, that's not it, is it? That is it. Okay. That pulled in real fast, tight. Are these ties supposed to go like on the outside or something? Like I really don't know. You know, take me too. That is a, typically you don't want the to be that long. It's gonna be that long hanging out. There, sure. That yeah, goes there. That goes there, sure. They're right up against the butt. Those are small. No, no, that's still too high. I think once you start screwing it down, it won't go in deep enough. Your luck. I don't think that goes in there. It doesn't feel like it goes in there. Maddie, I'm sorry. I forgot where some of these screws go. I'm trying to figure it out right now. That's this one for sure is right here. That I can feel. I almost feel comfortable putting all these up here like this. Don't feel that goes there. That was too. Yeah, okay, yeah, those long ones go there. Those right. So those are the back screws. Cool. Medium guys. This is how I've been figuring it out. I don't know if you can see it tight. Yeah. Oh, I've been like putting this screw up against it. Going like, I guess you can't see it when I do it like that, but does it go through is what I've been trying to figure out, right? So, um, Almost done. Almost done. That just put them good. Wait, what's the back? I think these guys go here. It's so shallow. This guy goes her. Super shallow. Okay, yes, so then I was right. It was medium screws that go here. I thought. Even this one's a medium screw. So push down on it a little bit. Yeah, see, that works. Yeah. And they bite and they stop. Yeah. That I like. This. Boop. Okay, then it goes here then. Right. Aha! Alright. Yeah. You did. But you can see it on my YouTube. Player2Nation. YouTube.com/Player2Nation. It'll be up in like an hour after I do this. Because this will probably be like the easiest video to edit. 20 minutes. And also, so I'll just stop. I'll stop the stream after, and then it'll post to my videos, and you can see from the beginning what it looked like from the inside, the gutty guts. And I also compared and figured out why, like what the difference was. Like you're right when you said that at work, 100%. That's what was missing. It broke. Technically it was like it's like clipped in. So really, what happened was it like unclipped itself. So to say, I guess I assume I guess you know. This side first. Seems rough, but oh, son of I don't know where my blue stick is, but this is an old debit card, so I don't really care if someone's dead. I love how modular things are nowadays. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Better. Much better. There we go. Better. Wish I had my blue spudger. I don't. This is going there. Ah, see, that's why I kept spinning. Hit it with a little tack liquid with a piece of that's supposed to stay in there. And you're supposed to pull it out with a blue stick. Oh, this is true. Oh, look. It's a Dan. It's a Dan. I don't like that. Like there should be a clip there or something. I like the design. It's really nice. Once I clean your laptop. Hey everybody, Player2Nation post edit. At this point, the laptop owner came to join the chat, so we're just talking about the games I was installing and how the repair was going, and my obvious OCD for cleanliness. But anyways, back to it. I was like looking at all the fingerprints. When he gave it to me, I was like, oh, I was freaking out. And I was like, I'm gonna fix it, and then I'm gonna clean it, and then it'll be fingerprintless, just the way I like it. Okay, all right. Now the $1,000 question: can one save some cash? Oh, this is supposed to do the inside now. Whoops. Look. Ah! Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Gotta clean it. Awesome. Look, it's so clean. It's so clean. Oh, it's so clean and beautiful. I love clean computers. They're my favorite. Okay. The $1,000,000 question. Oh, okay. Well, that slid in. Nice. No damage was done on first insertion. Second, fine. Okay, so the power light is back there. Oop, oop, oop. Power light is right there. And bang! We got power. So it seems you do not need to buy a charger. Seems one that you have will work perfectly fine, which is an amazing thing. Bang, bang. Beautiful. I like it. Done. Well, that's really zoomed up. Like, I don't know why my cell phone's doing that. Okay. So I guess that's it, really. Now all that's left is to load it up with some games, get her going, and return it to you. If you're not already, please do like and subscribe, my friend. As my live counterpart was trying to say, please do like and subscribe. It helps a bunch. I really do appreciate every single view I do get. All of you guys are amazing. I thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day that you're having. To the next one. Bye-bye. was off the whole time. I am a very intelligent dude. Yeah, I do this all the time. I live for this shit apparently.